future, expecting some grace. Instead it's duck lips, ring lights, one identical face. You call this progress? Nah, this is a prank. Y'all built a temple to TikTok and called it a bank. Glowing screens in your hands, you pray like it's divine. Got the universe in your pocket, still can't read a sign. Smartphone knows your steps, you sleep, you pee, but you forgot how to look up or talk to me. You scream diversity while wearing the same mask. Same thoughts, same words, same questions you don't ask. Don't dare be different, nah, that's a sin. You'll get canceled by Karen in a sustainable bin. Speak your truth. They say yeah until you do. Then it's hashtags, think pieces, and a woke mob crew. In Athens, they poison me straight to the face. Here they just dox you and flag your Instagram page. Dating now? That's a horror show. Swipe left, ghost fast, cry later. Go. Call it healing while you sell your pain with a filter, a ring light, and a breakup campaign. Tinder bios like goddess healer moon energy. Girl, you just yelled at a waiter over celery. You want love? Nah, you want attention in disguise. Texting 6 dudes while complaining all men lie. OnlyFans, oh yeah, the modern shrine where you read a quote from Plato while showing you're behind. Pretending to be deep while grinding on stream. Empowerment's just prostitution with a marketing team. $9 a month for faux sophistication, calling moaning on camera a healing vibration. Back in my day, that was a hustle on the street. Now it's premium content with feet. Everybody got a podcast, 2 mics, 1 brain, talking about trauma like it's clout cocaine. Hoodies, hot takes, flat earth debates, sharing life advice after 3 failed dates. I built a method, y'all build reels. I question truth, you question meal deals. Content creator, what's that even mean? You record yourself blinking and call it a scene. And y'all need applause just for saying no? Set a boundary once, now you run a show. Where's the work, the wisdom, the climb? You want statues built for wasting time. Fast food morals, attention span thin. You sell your soul just to maybe win. You want clout without craft, fame without flame. You want all the worship, none of the blame. Call this progress? I call it a glitch. Y'all traded reason for likes and Twitch. This ain't the future, this is a meme where truth gets ghosted and dreams get streamed. Socrates out. I'm done with the scroll. Bring me the hemlock, at least it had soul.